You didn't get the report of the weather. You didn't read the future. Embraced them as your brothers, and shared with those flesh-eater hyenas. You offered hospitalities of good old traditions, but they gave you deaths, arsons, prisons. Bad things happen to good people. They squeezed to make the state of Israel. You gave blood, but they won. You got no magic, but they are well done. In the modern war, need air power. They destroyed you fully. Betrayed by Jordan, Egypt, Turkey. This is 2025. Who can directly help you to survive? You victim survivors are in the middle and burning alive in the grill. Faith didn't help you. Neither China, Russia, UNO. Don't misunderstand me. I am bleeding in your misery. What is the alternative for you to live?